Welcome, guys. Welcome to week 51 of the preview of week 51 and a review of week 50. We have analyzed Usdjpy called GBP USD and Euro USD in week 50. Video was uploaded on YouTube. There's a week 49 as well before that. In week 50, we explain what our analysis is going to be for this week that took place currently. And as you guys can see, this is on the 10th December. You see the market opened on the 11th, um, and then ended until the was it the 15th? Yeah, the 15th of December. So we're gonna analyze. We're gonna see how our trades did, how they did on 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 the H4 time frame. Right. So right now I'm just struggling with opening this. The internet connection is kind of not the best um, at this moment. Okay, so as you guys can see, this is what we had. We had Usdjpy. We could see that it was a downtrend, and we explained everything in the previous video. I just want to re-explain what I was saying. So, how did this trade do? This trade actually, what did it do? Okay, this trade did go into our initial idea, but then our SL that we put here got triggered. We entered here as analyzing the trade, hit our breaker, and then went down. So overall idea and everything was good. Execution here was not as good. So we go to gold, and on gold, as you guys can see, we have bullish order flow. Bullish order flow. Where did I go? Where did I go? We have bullish order flow. So what happened? And we were buying from this zone, right? So I supposed to put stop loss there, I think, but here I think it's fine. We had order flow. Okay, so this stop loss here was triggered, but overall, this was reacting on the zones that we analyzed in the week 50. If you guys don't watch that video, you won't understand why we took this trade, and there's a lot of nuggets for you guys. So on Friday, we actually saw this market right here, and then we cashed out somewhere around here. We sold it like 2035 somewhere right here, cashed out here, and yeah. So I'll be giving my preview for after we finish reviewing all these trades. So we go to gold, our fourth trade. I mean GBP USD. If you go to GBP USD, our fourth trade. The previous one was gold. So here's our trade. We were waiting for a buy and we were waiting for some areas here that we predicted in week 15. You guys can see it smashed and exceeded our targets and then started dropping. It was a beautiful trade. Little drawdown from the entry. 40 pips drawdown to gain how many pips? Over 200 pips. Right? Yes, amount 200 pips, 2000 points, 200 pips. 210 pips. So we go to Euro USD. I suspect that Euro USD also just acted the same as GBP USD, right? So here we are with Euro USD. We're expecting a buy from this area right here. And it seemed just exceeded target expectations. And yeah, so now let us quickly analyze. Now that's all for the review. Okay, okay. Now that's all for the review of week 50. This is now the preview for week 51 for the trading weeks of 2023. Let's now see what gold will do. So I've already analyzed this market on my own. I was doing the recording, but it failed. So there are some things that are left there. So it would be much quicker. So this is our new analysis. So what are we analyzing right now? We are here right now we broke the structure right here, so we have to retrace and get some buyers in. So we could either stop hunt below there or just step and go about there, because we have a lot of traders trading a lot of directions, sells and buys. Some people have reasons to buy because of breaks of trend line, which will be like this. Let me just show you guys. Some of you are new. Trend lines. Some of you guys will buy trend lines like that. Some will buy trend lines like this, and some people will be selling, saying that the market should be selling trend line like that. This but the retails might go down. Some people are holding it like this, like that, and I mean, I don't know how people use such strategies. Some of them they work for them, but for us and the TradeWise team, we are looking at this demand right here, which was supply, now turn demand. We're looking at it to tap and mitigate and give us a series and waves of bullish structures and upside movement. By the way, you guys can see that this market is very, very bullish. The only way that it is bearish is if we can break this structure here. Otherwise, I don't see myself entering this as a predominant bearish trend. This is bullish. Look at this auto flow. So much auto flow on the H4 that you guys can see the weekly trend and overall the monthly short term trend as well. So we can go to the next one. Oh, we skipped USDJPY. We're supposed to start with USDJPY. Huh? USDJPY. Yeah. So with gold and USDJPY, they are inversely correlated. So that means that if gold goes up, USDJPY should go down. But you find at times that both of them will be selling and buying at the same time. But it rarely happens. But you can't rule that out because you never know what the market can give you guys. You never know what to expect from the market. So we're here with USDJPY, and we are seeing that okay, we are still following. This was a sweet tap into this breaker and a good auto flow. So we can see that we broke here, and then we should come for retest for this sub demand turn supply. It's now supply. If we want to see a rejection, just the same as we saw here, and then we go down and go finalize this target. So our first target will be somewhere this one, and then our next target will be somewhere here, which is probably on a daily or a daily or a weekly level. So that's it for USD JPY. We are going now to GBP USD. GBP USD and Euro USD, they usually move the same way as well. Usually every time, and they can be used as a form of divergence. SMT divergence. If you guys do not know what SMT divergence, if you guys know the regular divergence using RSI and the highs and the lows of the real chart, you use also GP two charts, GP USD and Euro USD simultaneously, right? To see which one is a better pair to enter that moment, and just to spot a smart money reversal. So SMT just means smart money trading, smart money tool, something like that. So it's a very good way to really snipe. So that's not what we want to talk about now. I want to talk about GBP USD right now as a whole. As you guys can see, we just are retracing after targets were hit. Equal highs were taken out. A lot of people had money here, bankers, hedge funds, retailers, small traders, you, me, our friends were taken out here because they thought this was strong resistance and just a 1 4 hour candle and then back in. And this just tells us that we are going to retrace and our next demand is around here, right? But I don't think that will hold. So we need to retrace much more deeper and form a bit of accumulation to the upside, or if we lose control of these levels here on the H4, we could be going down. But our overall um, direction is bullish, because you guys can see we are in extreme bullish order flow, guys. If you guys have been looking at other videos, you know that we are in bullish order flow. So, and you know what order flow is if you do follow our content, free content, that is to say. So a retracement, we could see a deeper retracement or stop on the somewhere around here, and a buy, right? Because price is telling us that we want to break to the higher side. So we are expecting buys on GBP USD. Um, it's very, and I think you guys should always watch these trade ideas and recaps on how the market did, because it just takes probably 15 minutes. If you can't analyze for 15 minutes a day, watch a 15-minute video and it's just the same. You pick up a lot. So we are just doing the same here as well as. So this is Euro USD, and we are doing the same as we did on GBP USD. So what happened here? We then break the upside, and if you guys notice on GBP USD, we broke this high, but here on Euro USD we didn't break this high. So as you guys can see that if you saw GBP USD break that high and start selling, you entered Euro USD and sell, right? That was the SMT that I was talking about, but I don't want to explain it here because it is just too long to explain. It's probably a tutorial that by request that I can do now show you guys. It's very, very beautiful to trade SMT. Anyways, we hit our targets after that. We didn't break a high. We came to this supply area and respected it. And then we are now coming back down to a similar area where we are on a GPUSD. If we see a formation here and a buy forming here, we'll go to GPUSD and buy as well. But I know GPUSD is much faster and it's more liquid. The euro is much more stable. We can see price coming back here to this area of demand, which was supply turn demand, and we just need to be seeing our 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 type 1 2 3 patterns that I showing the YouTube, I mean Telegram channel. So for you guys to come by here, and yeah, that is it for week 51 preview and review for week 50. Hope you guys enjoyed it, and all of this will be published so we can go and review this as we make a preview next week Sunday again for week 52, which is the final trading week in my opinion in the financial market for 2023. God willing. And yeah, anyway, thank you for sticking around. Do subscribe, do follow our pages, do follow our telegrams, wherever, TikTok, Instagram. If you guys need any help, you guys can always contact the Telegram admins so they can guide you with whatever you want, free, paid, or anything. We got you. We can plug you. Anyways, peace.